In this video presentation, I will use speech recognition systems based on hidden Markov models. These are statistical models that output a sequence of symbols or quantities. HMMs are used in speech recognition because of a speech signal can be viewed as a place-wise stationary signal or a short-time stationary signal. In a short-time scale, that is 10 milliseconds, speech can be approximated as a stationary process. Speech can be thought of as a Markov model for many statistic purposes. HMM can be trained automatically and are simple and computationally feasible to use. In speech recognition, the hidden Markov model can output a sequence of n-dimensional real-valued vectors, with n being a small integer such as 10. Outputting one of these every 10 milliseconds. The vectors would consist of cepstral coefficients, which are obtained by taking a Fourier transform of a short time window of speech and decorrelating the spectrum using a cosine transform. Then taking the first most significant coefficients, the hidden Markov model will tend to have in each state a statistical distribution that is a mixture of diagonal covariance Gaussians, which will give a likelihood for each observed vector. I have illustrated in this video the core elements of the most common HMM-based approach to speech recognition. Speech recognition systems use several combinations of a number of standard techniques in order to improve the general results. So a typical large vocabulary system would need context dependency for the phonemes. So phonemes with different left and right context have different realizations, as HMM states. It would use cepstral normalization to normalize for a different speaker and recording conditions. For further speaker normalization, it might use vocal tract length normalization, that is VTLN, for male-female normalization, and maximum likelihood linear regression for more general speaking adaptation. The features would have delta and delta coefficients to capture speech dynamics, and in addition might use heteroscedastic linear discriminant analysis HLDA, or might skip the delta and delta coefficients and use splicing and an LDA-based projection followed by heteroscedastic linear discriminant analysis or a global semitide covariance transform. Artificial neural networks are used in this application as an acoustic modeling approach in ASR. Neural networks are used in many aspects of speech recognition, such as phononyms classification through multi-objective evolutionary algorithms. Those algorithms are also presented in this video. So isolated word recognition, audiovisual speech recognition, audiovisual speaker recognition, and speaker adaptation. So neural networks make fewer explicit assumptions about feature statistical properties than those of HMM and have several qualities making them very useful in speech recognition models. When used to estimate the probability of a speech feature segment, neural networks allow discriminative training in a natural and efficient way. One approach to this limitation was use neural networks as a pre-processing feature transformation or dimensionality reduction. Automatic Speech Recognition Systems, ASR, is a technology identifying and processing human voice with the aid of hardware and software-based techniques that are discussed in this application.